Welcome to the Army's Advanced Marksmanship Training School. Today, you will familiarize yourself with the M24 weapons system. Lock and load. You are now clear to engage targets downrange. While the bolt-action M24 has a low rate of fire, its reliability and accuracy outweigh the need for speed. The M3A scope allows you to engage targets at distance, but posture and breathing are even more critical than they were with the iron sights of the M16.
Right on target.
The bipod provides the stability required to engage targets at extreme distances.
Right on target. 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 Right on target.
While we're young, soldier.
Right on target. 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 Right on target.
Time for your
Right
test,
on target.
soldier. Your test is simple. Identify the single white silhouette downrange. Estimate distance to target and fire. Remember, take your time. You only have one shot. Make it count. Congratulations, soldier. You are now qualified with the M24 rifle. Next up, the M82.